everybody and welcome to MS Craftshop. If you are following my channel, you know that I recently presented my first scrapbooking paper collection called Timeless Moments. The collection includes 2 sets of 40 double-sided sheets in 2 sizes and extras to cut. It's already available to buy in my online stores, and below the video I will include links for both paper and digital options. I want to invite you to a week-long marathon of card tutorials. In fact, and to be more precise, it will be 8 days of card making. Every day we make 1 card using my collection paper, and I want to show you how versatile the collection is. All the cards will be different, from the most effortless to a bit time-consuming. We'll make cards for various occasions: mothers, grandmothers, Valentine's and Friendships Days, invitations and thank yous cards, birthdays and motivational cards. The marathon starts tomorrow, and I hope you will join me in crafts. I wish you a lovely and joyful creative time. Stay tuned!